Welcome to everyone. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we will discuss about future retail share. So we'll see the basic business prospect as well as the updates on the share, and we'll also see the technicals which will affect the share movement in the coming days. In my previous videos we have discussed about Reliance Communications. We discussed the complete fundamentals as well as we have discussed the basic technicals. So people who are new to the channel can definitely subscribe the channel to not miss any latest updates. So let's see about future retail. So okay, we know that there was an update yesterday that lenders may convert part of Kishore Biani's future retail debt into equity. So we know that companies having a very high debt around 7,000 crores. So the lenders are planning to convert the debt into equity in the form of shares. Okay, this will happen at a particular price that will be updated later. Okay, apart from that you can also see this news. So you can see lenders of Kishore Biani's future retail are planning to considering converting part of its debt into equity before a possible sale to a rival. So we know that almost Reliance is almost on verge of completion of the deal. So if the deal completes, then definitely it will be a good sign for the company. Apart from that, we know that Amazon is also having stake in future retail. Already it's having a stake, and also Azim Premji, Wipro, also is showing interest in this particular company. So you can also see that the company could be taken within a month. So debt reconstructing, so whatever it is there, it will take place within a month, because we know that you can see here debt once the moratorium on loan repayment ends in this August. So we know that the loan repayment which will be ended by August. So before that only the lenders are planning to make this debt to equity conversion. So I've discussed that almost the debt on the company is almost around 7,241 crore against 2,657 crore in March 31st 2019. Okay, 2019 the debt was around 2,657. So current debt is around 7,241 crore according to CARE rating agencies. We also know that CARE rating agencies have also reversed the rating of future retail from A minus to A plus. So that also I have discussed in my previous videos. I have made almost 3 to 4 videos on future retail where we discussed about the business as well as all the updates. Okay, so people are regularly following me, they might be knowing these details. Okay, now let's see the basic fundamentals, and then we'll see on technicals what will the next possible levels be for future retail. Okay, before that, when we see the website of Big Bazaar, that is shop.bigbazaar.com, where we get all the necessary groceries as well as the fashion related or any product that you want at a very cheap price. So that's what the company is expanding its business. We know that this e-commerce site is also continuously running in good amounts of profits. You can see almost you're getting food, groceries, home and kitchen needs, personal care and more at Big Bazaar stores. Okay, so everything is being included in this website. So the company prospect wise or business wise, we can see how demand right now we have, almost are in house only. So we know that complete lockdown is going on. So for that reasons, all of them prefer to order from online. So business wise it's making good profit, but we need to wait patiently. We'll see that as well. Okay, so you can see men, women, kids, fashion, electronics, fruits, bakery, staples, beverages, as well as you can see personal care, everything from top to bottom, everything is covered at best prices. Especially if you focus on fashion as well, they are giving you at very cheap cost. Almost 200 rupees or getting one t-shirt or something. So that cheap they are providing all the goods and services. Okay, now let's see the overview of the company. Okay, if you see the current market cap is almost around 5,842.23 crores, and you can see dividend is not there. And if you see industry PE, is around 66.06. Almost all the FMCG stocks trail around that particular PE. If you see HUL, if you see Britannia, if you see all these stocks, their PE will be almost greater than 60 only. So that demand is there for FMCG. If you see this PE, this stock PE, you'll see almost it is 8.46 only. So at very less PE. And now the important thing to focus is once the results will be declared by the particular company, as well as when a good news or update comes on the particular deal with Future Retail, then definitely the share will have a good movement. Today also you can see, today no upper circuit, no lower circuit, completely it's a 50-50. Okay, so there is a good chance of movement. Okay, but we need to stay focused and stay analyzed on this particular stock. So I'll update everything whenever any news comes. Immediately I'm updating so that you people can do necessary buying or selling. Okay, if you see, deliveries are almost around 55.48. Okay, very good deliveries are also seen. Next we'll see the shareholding. Okay, if you see the shareholding, you can see almost the promoters are having around a 41.73% stake. You can see 41, and before it was around 41.73. Now currently it's 41.73 as of June 2020. Okay, it's updated, and now you can see pledging is around 74.9, same as compared to previous quarter. And if you see, mutual fund holding is around 3.6%, and total DIs are around 40.75%. Okay, only thing is that the pledging which almost dragged the stock to this particular level. Okay, so okay, if you see the returns of the company, you can see almost in 1 week it has given, okay, positive returns of 0.95, 3 months 4.01. Okay, and rest of all you can see almost in 1 year as well as 2 years, you can see almost 74.71% negative returns were given by this stock. Okay, completely not given any positive returns till now, but it should give because the business of this company is very good. Okay, why will all this company focus specially on Reliance, that is sorry, Future Retail? Because the business of it towards the retail segment is very high. Yes or no? Because the basic needs, the personal care, the fashion. So whenever these sort of things come, so definitely this type of shares come into focus. So for time pass, nobody invests or nobody wants to fix a deal. So that thing also you need to remember. Okay. Next, we'll see about the technicals. So again, 1 day chart, you can see that almost the stock, okay, almost touched this particular 150 level almost 2 times. So once when it has touched that level, again it has retraced and fallen to the 100 level. So again from the 100 a support was seen. On that day as well, I have made a video about the swapping between the Reliance as well as Future Retail. Okay, but now currently again the same support 100 is there. If again it comes to that level and if it's respected, then definitely you can invest in small quantities. So something will happen, but we need to see the business prospect. So once you trust the company, once you are invested in it, then definitely you should forget that for you're investing for long term, not for short term gains. So that thing you need to keep in mind. So that type of mentality you need to develop. If you see, even the money flow index also is showing that some movement may happen. So you can see almost completely now it's in a range. So that also you can see. Apart from that, what you can see in 1 week chart. So 1 week chart, you can see almost 2 weeks, you can see it is near the pivot support. Okay, it's trading near the pivot support, it's going up, again it's coming down. So some insider news is going inside the company. So suddenly move may come, but we need to stay focused near this 100 level. Okay, it exactly respected these levels. When I made video, almost it respected that 61.54 level where it has retraced, okay, earlier when I made my videos. But now current focus on 100 rupees. If you get a chance, put in small quantity. Even money flow index currently showing some correction, but later move may come. So we discussed the business prospect, we discussed about the debt reconstruction, how debt will be converted into equity. So if any update or any news comes about this particular share, so then definitely I'll update if you want in Telegram or in YouTube community section, wherever you want I will update that. Okay, so until then, this is about Future Retail. If you liked it, then definitely like and subscribe the channel. Until then, take care. Bye bye.